Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the service catalog and the related questions in our interview point of view. Later we will also discuss with the record producer creation. So first, let we see the service catalog. So just you have to write the service catalog. So how we are defining the service catalog. So already we discussed about of that one. That is the simply to say that it is a type of application in ServiceNow which is used to fulfill self-service opportunities, or it enables to organize the items into multiple categories and subcategories. So simply to say that that is a service catalog. And next one is the just let me know that what is variable. So variable means how we are saying about the variable. Variable is a individual input field. Variable is an individual input field. Next one, variable set. What is variable set? Variable set allows you, just you should write that. Variable set allows you to create a collection of variables, that can be reused, that can be reused
Creation of
create a collection of variables, create a collection of variables that can be reused, that can be reused across multiple catalog items, across multiple catalog items and order guides.
So that can be reused.
Tell me, Ramesh.
So that can be reused afterwards, sir.
Yes, that is the difference between variable and variable set. Variable is not retrieved while creating the another template. That means the while creating the some more catalog item or some more record producer. But when you should created the variable set, that variable set is easily to retrieve for some more some more items or some of the record producer. So that is the difference is there, variable and variable in variable set.
So please tell once again, sir. Variable set.
Tell me, Ramesh, what do you want?
Please repeat once, sir. Variable set.
Simply to say that it allows you to create a collection of variables that can be reused across multiple
Okay.
items, across the multiple catalog items and order guides. That means if you should created the number of variables, so that variables being a set, one set, so the total set easily to reuse in preparation of next catalog item or next record producer. But if you have created the some individual variables, so those variables are not recalled, so that means those are not retrieved while creating the new item. So that is the small difference is there between the variable and variable set. Variable set means simply to say that it is a number of variables. So that is the difference is there. Next one, Tell me about the variable attributes. Tell me about variable attributes. Few service catalog variables few service catalog variables support specific attributes to define the behavior and restrictions for variables. Behavior and restrictions for the variables. There are multiple variable attributes. There are multiple variable attributes are available in attribute field. In variable attribute field. Just have a look here. So those are the what type of variable attributes are there. So these are the variable attributes are there. So that is the max underscore length equals to 2. Okay, max underscore length. So just you should write the one by one. So those are the max underscore length, max underscore unit, and no underscore filter, and allowed underscore extension, allowed underscore extensions, barcode. Next one, max underscore file underscore size, max underscore file underscore size. So just you should remember this one. This is also helpful while creating the items. Max underscore file underscore size. That example is the 2. So that is the 2 MB. Next one is the glide underscore list. Glide underscore list. Next one is the ref underscore ac underscore columns. Reference access control columns. Ref underscore ac underscore columns. So that example is the ref underscore ac underscore columns equals to username and comma email or sys created on, whatever it may be.
Sir, are you speaking anything?
That means hello, hello. ref underscore ac underscore columns, reference accessed columns. So that is the what type of columns are there in our reference point of view. That is the usernames are there, emails are there, and sys created on is there, and reference ref underscore auto underscore completer. So those are the more types of variable attributes are there. That is the mainly the thing is a variable attribute means simply to say that, so it is the uh, default behavior, okay, default behavior of the our particular variable. So default behavior and restrictions for the variables. So that is simply to say that variable attributes. Hello. Hi
Sir,
friends.
ఏమని చెప్పండి సార్.
Sorry to say that already I thought the okay I taught the some points, but my mic is being in mute. Okay, let it be. So you should write the these are the types of variables. So that is the variable attributes. Those are the max underscore unit, max underscore unit, and max underscore length, no underscore filter. So just you should write one by one. Max underscore length, max underscore unit, no underscore filter, and so glide underscore list. So glide underscore list, max underscore file underscore size. This is generally okay regularly used while creating the items and record producers, especially for attaching of the attachment of the files. And barcode allowed underscore extension, just you should write the those names. Okay,
సార్ సారీ టు ఇంటరప్ట్.
tell me Ramesh.
సార్ మీరు వేరియబుల్ యాట్రిబ్యూట్స్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఇంకేం చెప్పారు కూడా ఏం తెలియదు సార్. ఇంకా ఇంకా అక్కడి నుంచి ఆగిపోయింది.
So
రికార్డ్
after
ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ చెప్పారు
variable
సార్.
set variable attributes,
యాట్రిబ్యూట్స్.
yes variable attributes, these are the types of variable attributes.
ఓకే.
Types of variable attributes are the these are the types of variable attributes. Those are the allowed underscore extension is one, barcode, max underscore file underscore size, glide list. So just you should write one by one. These are the types of variable attributes. Okay, let it be. Just you should write the only 4 to 5. It's fine. Next one, record producer. Next one is the record producer. It is a task based record. It is a task based record. Or it is an alternative of creating the incident record. It is an alternative of creating the incident record. Next one, what is order guide? Next one, what is order guide? The number of bulk items requested by the number of bulk items requested by single request. Next one, what is user criteria? What is user criteria when you should apply it? When you should apply it? When you should apply it? It is used to restrict the users. It is used to restrict the users who can see the item. It is used to restrict the users who can see the item in catalog item, who can see the item in catalog item, comma, record producer and order guide. Next question, tell me some types of variables in service catalog. Tell me some types of variables. Some types of variables in service catalog. There are more number of variables. There are more number of variables. So you should write that one by one. So these are the types of variables. That is the types of variable types. So that is the data type is there. Okay. So let they ask you that data types. So how many data types are there in our variables creation? So those are the, just you should write that. So there are almost 30 to 40 types are there. So you should say that simply when they are asking such type of question, you should simply to set the minimum 10 variables, 10 variable types. Those are the yes or no. First one you should write one by one. Yes or no, yes slash no. Next one, break, break. Next one, email. Next one, reference, reference. Next one, multiple choice. Next one, date. Next one, single line text. Next one, multi-line text. Next one, lookup select box. Look up select box. LOOKUP. Lookup select box. Next one, container start. Container start. Start. Container split. Next one, container split. Next one, container end. Next one, date. Okay, let it be. So there are some other variable types are also there. Just you should simply to say that minimum 10 to 15, it's fine for us while they are asking you. Okay, while they are asking you, then simply to answer the this question. Okay, next one, what is cascade variable? What is cascade? CASCADE, cascade variable in order guide. What is cascade variable in order guide? Cascade variable, cascade variable is used to carry forward the values, is used to carry forward the values from initial form to, from initial form to item level. Item level. But the variable should be, but the variable should be same in both the places. But the variable should be same in both the places. Okay, okay, let it be. Now we are going to discuss about the our record producer. So how we are created the new record producer? Just go to our navigation menu. So that is the record producer. So just you have to choose the catalog definitions. Record producer is there. Just choose that. So in our record producer, okay, just click on the record producer and create the, yes, it's been all. Now new, just click on the new button. How it is helpful? So that means our record producer is a task based record. Okay, so there is a some difference between the our item to this record producer. So that means item is different. Item means if you want to create the any item, so that means laptop or tablet or phone, whatever the hardware assets are there, so those all are being as a order. Okay, those all are doing as a just order of the particular items, that is the physical items. So hardware. Now just have a look. When you are just you should simply to navigate at the record producer in your navigation menu, then you have to choose the catalog definition record producer. After that you will simply to click on the our new button and it may display the their particular form. So that is the creation of the record producer form. So that is the This is mainly task based records. So that means uh, this is the service related issues. So that means if you want to create the any new record, so that is mainly helpful for request, mainly to request based. So that means create an alternative way of the incident record. So that means already in our record producer already been, okay, already it's been there in our existing already there. So that is the new incident. So incident is a one type of okay, request. Okay, so you should also wanted the some service. So that is there, service or record, request based records. So I want to create the one new record producer, that is the creation of, sorry, not creation. Let me take the name of the record producer is, okay, PC proposal, for example. So that is the personal computer proposal is there. So that is the table name. So where you have to place the particular record producers, is there any existing are there, or let you choose the new table. So that is the, it's been only sc underscore cat underscore. So that is there already, sc underscore cat underscore cat underscore sc underscore cat underscore item. So catalog item is there. If it is being as in our catalog item, or sc underscore request req, where you have to store the particular form and their records. So request. So so that is the sc underscore request, and state and checked out. Okay, there are no options are there. And now there are some sections are available for preparing of the record producer, that is the what it will contain. So that is the, in our short description point of view, uh, for experienced persons, experienced persons. So for short description is the control X, just control V, that is the, so short description also PC proposal. And description is the, that PC requirements, is there any PC requirements, just you should also mention already there, that is the Linux computer, or okay, Dell. So HP, HCL, so whatever the HCL is there, so HCL uh, computer. Okay, so their requirements are there. So that is the RAM is the 16 GB or 32 GB. So processor is the, okay, octa core. So rom is not required. Okay, so let it be. So rom point of view, rom, GB, SSD. So similarly, and any other requirements, that is the monitor, 28 inches. So these are the requirements are there for, sorry, desktop, comma, personal PC. So these are the meta tags are also given here. And now let you give that. Now accessibility. So is it only giving the okay, so where we have to place it the particular record producer, so that record producer is being as a technical catalog or okay, so resources, for example resources is there, so just you should also place it here. And category, so that is the category point of view, resources, security resources and recommended guidelines, so that is the resources related two categories are there only, so just place it here. And views, so this is the global, so if it is being as a global, that means all are applied, okay, all are able to see that, and all are okay, make it this one. And next section is the generated record data, so that is the template is there, type of template, if it is any generated record data, just let it be. And portal settings, so that is the any attachment is there, so hide add to wish list and mandatory attachment, so these all are not required, okay. So now just save that particular record, just save that. After saving the record, so record producer and request management table is not supported, and okay, let it be. So now you should also change the table name, so the table name is requested item, for example, let me see that is it going to be stored or not. Request management table is not supported again, okay. Where we have to place it the particular record producer, is there any new, so that is the custom tables are there, any custom tables are incident related, or you underscore something is there, okay, let it be, just place it here. These records are also being in req, service category, catalog category request, no, just put it as the our, just put it as the incident. So this is mainly to our table name will indicates for only where we have to store the this particular record related data, so that is there. And now come to the bottom, related list, related links are there, related list is there. In our related list, so there are more types, okay, more sections are there, those are the variables, variable sets, catalog UI policies, catalog client scripts, and available for, not available for, categories, catalogs, and data lookup definitions, and articles, catalog items, and assigned topics, so these all are there. Now come to that, already you should know how we are created the variable, isn't it? So already you know that. Now we are going to see that, so that is the how we are created the variable set. Just I will create it the variable set, that is the new, so new variable set, so that is the leave it here. Just have a look guys. And am I choosing the single row variable set? Yes, single row type, so that is the variable set name. So basic details, for example, basic details, and order number is the 100, okay, it's fine. So just save that. Now you will see that create the variables, this is a variable set name is the basic details, and variables, now we are going to create it the variables. So that is the what type of data type it is, for example reference, the first one is the reference based, so that is already there requested for, so that is the our variable, first variable is the that one, so that is the our 11. So I am starting with the 11. So annotation, type specification, and only there, just let it be. So just submit it or save it here. Okay, question name is mandatory. Okay, yes. So that is the user or user user and save that. Sys underscore user. So actually you have some network issues there, that's why the form is not loading well. So just let you wait here. So that is the requested for, data type is the requested for is there. So our reference, whatever it may be, you should take it anywhere. So requested for is there and reference is there. So that is the, okay, requested for, and question is the user. So user and update it here. And second one is the email, user email for example. So that is the single line text is there. Our email data type is there or not, let you check that. Email, e, yes, email is there already. So and order number is the 13 and user email, yes, submit it. And next one is the another one, user contact. So single line text and order number is 15. Okay, user contact number, user contact, it's fine. Okay, just submit it. So these are these three variables are being as a variable set in one set. So that is the just update it here. Okay, so now let you check that. So if you want to take the okay particular item, so that is the just try it, just let you see that after already done, the creation is already done. So now let you see that, try it here. So when we are seeing that, so your personal PC proposal is there, and for experienced persons, HCL computer, what type of PC, that is the HCL computer, and these are the specifications are there. And later who will okay, who have requested this item, so that is the our system administrator basically, that means the logged user. So who have logged the particular user, that name will be displayed here. If you want to change it, simply to change here, and email id and their contact number. So these three details are already there. Okay, so after that simply to request the particular item. Okay, so that is the way to creating and okay, so requesting the particular item. Now going to the record producers. So whatever the record producer is there, is that existed or not, let you check it here. Yes, PC proposal is there. So it's been already existing. So and another one is it reflected in our that okay service portal or not. So for that, what we do generally, so just copy this one and new tab is there and paste it here, and SP service portal. So let me check that. So sometimes whatever you have created, those are not reflected in our service portal. That means the how can we help you? Just PC proposal, PC proposal. So and category is the, that is different. That is the security related issue. Okay, security, um, PC propose security resources. So is it be okay? Is it related to security resources or not? So let me check first one. So that is the security resources. Security. That type of widget are there or not? Let me check it here. Security resources. So that is the catalogs is category is there. Yes, security and access is there. Yes, let me see that. Request security escort, renew certificate, and corp VPN. Okay, so your item is not reflecting in our particular place. Just have a look. Okay, but you have created the item. Okay, sometimes it may not be reflected in our uh, okay, in our item, in our particular service portal or employee service center. So then what we do? So we will discuss about that particular thing in our further classes. Okay, so next class. So thank you guys. So this is the way to creation of the our record producer. It is mainly helpful for requesting, so not ordering, just requesting of the our service. So what type of service is there? For example, you are being as a new hiree, then you should also requested the parking sticker of your vehicle. So sticker is required for entering of the your vehicle. So that is there, and password request. So that is the password reset request is there, and incident request. So those all are there, and timesheet request. So those all are the uh, if you want to give the okay, if you want to get the any access. So those all are taken by the help of our okay, record producers. Okay, thank you guys.